What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store. So basically it's basically a third-party domain. So if you purchased a domain from Google Domains, GoDaddy or whatever, you can connect it to your Shopify automatically. So there are 6 steps. From your Shopify admin, go to settings and select domains. So after this, click existing domain. So just enter your domain, such as this one over here, and click next. So you just go to GoDaddy, copy the domain which you bought and enter it in the connect existing domain. After it, click connect automatically. If necessary, log into your Google Domains, GoDaddy or whatsoever account and just click continue and then click close. So keep in mind that it may take up to 48 hours for your domain to be verified. After it's verified, your domain is listed in the third-party domain section of the domains page with the status connected. If you have trouble setting up your domain automatically, then try to connect it automatically from within your third-party domain provider account. And of course, if you have any issues with that, make sure to write it to Shopify help support. So guys, basically that's the entirety of the process. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So guys, see you in our future videos. Goodbye and good luck using Shopify.